Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location, 1443 Banks Road here in Margate. And what do we have today? Well, new location requires a new product on a first time on a Chevy Colorado. But before we get started, if you have questions, that is our telephone number right there. You can also ask us on the bottom of this YouTube video questions. I have been getting to those answers a lot faster than in the past. Also, the link for this product will be on the bottom of this YouTube video. So if you want to say, hey, how much is that thing I saw? Click on it, it'll take you to the website, it'll show you all the information, all the specs, everything that I might not mention in the video will be in the bottom of the link, and then you can even purchase it that way as well. So that being said, come on over here, buddy. By the way, buddy, our master tech who also did the installation of this product today. And by the way, as we're walking over to this nice Chevy ZR1, take the time, hit that like button, get it out of the way, subscribe to the channel. That really helps us out. So here we go. We got the 2025 Chevy Colorado, one of the most popular small trucks out there. And of course, this is the ZR2, which is more the off-road model here. And what do we put on here? Well, this is the new MX4TS. Now, this is one of the newest models from Back Industries, and this is a great looking cover. Now, besides looking good, this thing is a great functional cover. Now, before I go into how everything works, I'll tell you a little bit about it. It's got a 400-pound weight capacity, and that's really, really good. So you can put stuff on top of here. And of course, this has the T-slots, which was right here. So if you lay something on here, you can put little loops in there and strap it down. Also, this has a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, if we install it like we did today, that 5-year goes to 10. So the parts of this here are covered for a decade. All the parts, as long as it's not abused, just any kind of defect, it will cover. So we got a good look at it. Let's go ahead and see how it functions here. So what's nice about this, you're going to have a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. Why is that good? Well, if the traffic is on one side, you might want to walk to the other side where it's safer. Now, a lot of covers only have one side, by the way. Now, as I open this up, you'll see the dual seal here. And instead of a single seal, just a little better at keeping the water out. Also, this model does come with a drainage system right here. And the drainage system is nice, so if any water gets past the seal, it can pass this, instead of going in the bed, it'll catch it and drain it out. So between the seal up here, the seal here, and the drainage system, this is going to be one of the most water-resistant covers you're going to find here. Now, you cannot say waterproof on these because the manufacturer doesn't say waterproof. They're water-resistant, weather-resistant. They do a great job of keeping the water out, but it's probably not going to keep every drop of water out, so keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and open it up a little further here. Now, you can drive with this partially open, partially closed, depending on your point of view. I come over here, you got the little lock here. Now, I'm going to loosen it up. We're going to slide this forward a little bit. And you want to secure both sides. So if you're in the highway, you don't have to worry about this closing on you. You're doing 80 miles an hour, this is not going anywhere. Now, you do want to do both sides. Now, when it's not in use, it has a nice little thing that holds it in place for you. Now, this has the third fold. Now, a lot of tri-fold covers only fold 2 times. So it'll stop more or less right where you see it. So you lose the access to the front of your bed here. Now, with this cover, it's going to have that third fold. So it's going to go all the way up here. And it does sit below your third brake light. A lot of times this third brake light would have a camera in there, so it's another reason why it should do that. This locks into place just like this. Now, the drainage system, if you can see with the camera, we're using the existing factory holes. We're not adding new holes in there, so that's really good. And now this will secure pretty good. Now with this, you can get racks put on here, and he's actually talking about getting some racks. And that would be a great setup for his kayak. So he likes to go kayaking just like Buddy and me. So when this is not in use, you slide it up. You come over here, it's got a little tiny spot to click it in. Now when you go to close it, you don't need to slam it. Just close it normal. So, okay, so look over here. Very easy, very user-friendly. I like this setup here. Oh, by the way, if you do have the storage in the tailgate, the cover doesn't affect that. All in all, it's a great value. Price point, when you go click on, you'll notice it is probably one of the more reasonable prices for a T-slot cover. A lot of T-slot covers are going to be more money in this. This is probably the least expensive T-slot cover you can purchase. So, so if you're looking to add the racks and you don't want to spend a ton of money, this is a great way to go. Again, you got the 5-year warranty, goes to 10. You got the 400-pound weight capacity. You got the Line-X here on top, by the way, which I didn't really touch about. That's another nice thing, because on the previous model, it's more of a powder coated finish. This is a Line-X finish. Now, the benefit of this is it adds more durability to the panels, keeps it from scratching. Also, it helps with insulation. And talk about insulation, this is a 4-layer cover. Now, a lot of folding covers are one single piece of metal. This one has 2 pieces of metal, reinforcement in the middle, and Line-X on top. Adds strength to it. Most importantly, in Florida, with a single piece of metal, the heat goes right through the metal into the bed, cooks your groceries when you're bringing them home. You're putting tools back there, it overheats your tools or even your golf clubs, wherever it is. Having 4 layers, it's going to keep the temperature more moderate in the bed. And then for Florida, that's real important because right now I'm already melting. I'm out here for 30 seconds, I'm already done. So having that 4-layer cover adds strength and most importantly keeps the temperature in the bed better. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this was a review of the back flip MX4TS on the Chevy Silverado ZR2. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.